Hey gardeners, welcome to another episode of Barlow's TV, your local landscape and garden resource. I'm Stephen Barlow, here in our annual section to talk to you about what should we do with all this rain we've had. So we are in a period where we're getting torrential downpours, tons of rain, and our flowers that have been doing so well all season because we've had such nice weather, warm days, cool nights, but everything's kind of hurting right now. Not need to worry, no need to fail. The sun will come out again and our flowers will all pop up. If you look right here, for instance, I have these petunias right here that have gotten beat up by the rain. All the new varieties of petunias that are out there, most of them generally will bounce back really, really fast after all this rain once the sun comes out. The big thing I need you guys to think about though is that with all the rain, all the nutrients are flushed out of the pots, whether you have a big pot of these pots, so there's not a lot of nutrients left in the soil. Because with all the rain, it pushes all the nutrients out. So what do we need to do when the sun comes back out? We need to make sure we heavily fertilize all of our annuals, whether it be in the hang baskets or in the garden. What we have here, this is what we recommend. It's called the Jax. It's the same fertilizer that we use on our farm and to grow our plants. You just want to make sure that once the sun comes out and the first time your plants need water, you want to make sure you give them a good dose of fertilizer. That'll help to green them back up again. That'll help to get some energy back into the leaves, and then they will start growing again. You also want to make sure you do that with your hanging baskets. Same thing, 1 scoop per gallon of water. Same thing, soak it, get that fertilizer back in there. If you do have large flower beds of petunias, they're one of those crops that do like a lot of fertilizer. You might want to get the hose-on adapter, which we do sell here, and you can fertilize them too. So that's just some tips with all the rain we've been having. Don't worry, the sun will come out. So just make sure that when the sun comes out, you guys get out there and fertilize your plants. Thanks so much and have a great day.